Yes, it's cyclic theorem again. Okay, so we've been exploring cyclic theorem right from theorem 1. We've done up to 5 theorems now, and this should be the 6th or 7th one. So this is cyclic theorem that has to do with quadrilaterals. And if you're just seeing this video for the first time, then you will need to see other cyclic theorems we've done before now. Okay, so kindly go check out in this playlist showing on the top of this video. Okay, so let's dive in, and don't forget to subscribe please. So let's dive in. So this cyclic theorem says a cyclic quadrilateral is a quadrilateral with all 4 vectors on the circumference of a circle. So you know what quadrilateral means? A circle with a shape with 4 sides, right? So when a shape with 4 sides is inside the circle, it is called a cyclic quadrilateral. And the law about the cyclic quadrilateral is that opposite angles are equal to 180 degrees. So this and this would give us 180 degrees. This and this would give us 180 degrees. So you see, that's why we say x plus y is 180 degree. P plus Q is 180 degrees. So that's the law you should know about cyclic quadrilateral when solving problems that involve circle theorem. So with this, we can just get into solving questions that has to do with this theorem. So here we have a question: work out the size of each angle marked with a letter. So we can see the angles we should find are C and A and B, right? Oh yes. So let's get started. If we have this quadrilateral in a circle, right? And remember, in our theorem, we say that opposite angles are summed up to 180 degrees. So that means opposite is 86 plus C equals 180 degree. Another opposite is 105 plus A equals 180 degree, right? Sure, yes. So how do we then find this? So for C, let's do that one here. For C, C should be equal to C equals 180 degree, take away 86 degree. And that would equal 96 degree. So C is 96 degree. And for A would be 180 degree, 180 degree minus 105 degree, which equals 75 degree. Now we found C and A, we need to find B. How do we find B? If you look at this line that B and A are together, you will see that that's angle on a straight line. An angle on a straight line is also 180 degrees. So that means A plus B should be 180 degree. And since A is equal to 75 degree, right? So we'll write 75 plus B is equal to 180 degree. Then to find B, we have 180 degree, take away 75 degree. And that would be, A would be 105 degree. Okay, so that's it for cyclic quadrilateral theorem. All right, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And if you want to follow our maths group, you can check our profile for the link to our WhatsApp group. See you in the next video.